Yo, what's going on, fam? Peace and blessings. Hope everybody's doing well. You tuned in to another episode of SGK 23 Sneaker Show on the network, SGK 23 TV Network, with yours truly. Hope everybody's doing well and coping with the COVID-19 and the coronavirus and not getting, cabin fever and going crazy. Kind of somewhat like myself. No gym, things of that nature, but we'll make the best of it. Just make sure you guys be safe for the youngins and the older folks, and just stay. Don't overdo things, but don't be careless at the same time. You heard? Peace and blessings to everybody. As always, you know what time it is. We'll get right to it. Sneaker review. You guys know I did I did working on the Sean Weatherspoon Air Force One joints. I'm saying. So what I might do now, I got some good ideas, is I might do the UAs so I can do the comparison video from you guys, then tear them UAs apart and take all the patches, whatever, get the corduroy laces from my peoples, and maybe even just rip the whole outsole mid, you know what I'm saying, and the Air Force One bottom mid gone, and replace that mid, the outer, with the Air Force One from these onto these. But these are 60%. You know what I'm saying? These right here that we're gonna look at, my Cactus Jack ones or Cactus Jack Air Force Ones, are probably 70-30s. And I'll link a description to the original Air Force Ones 90-10s. The 90-10s were officially done, meaning 90% by Nike, and then leave 10% up to you with the stencils and the patterns and all that for you to customize the sneakers, and kind of giving you most of the tools that you would need. Feel me? Now I need a whole Angelus pack, need a whole new jump off for what I'm doing here. But this video is more kind of to get you guys feedback on the laces and stuff like that. Right now I have a couple. I have the white cotton or white wool fat joints. I have the dope green velvet joints on here, and we're going to take a look at them, and hopefully I get some comments and some feedback from you guys as far as what y'all think about the laces, and things of that nature. As far as laces, no limitations. Have access to all types of laces. I thought about corduroy laces, not for these, for the Sean's. I thought about, they need some brown, and I'll explain why I did the colorways that I did them and things like that. So let's take a quick look at them real quick. First we'll go with these ones. These have, again, green velvets. It's a thing of beauty. Rope lace supply. And they got Cactus Jack laces too as well. These are the green velvet joints. I have red ones as well. Oh, they're right here. So I could do one green, one red, or both red velvet. I like the velvet wave. These have this wool or cotton jump off. That's the wave. I'm saying that's the wave. They look crazy. Maybe not particular for these, but any Air Force One Uptown Lows, all white. You throw these white joints, and they look crazy. They do look crazy. It's just what I had done with these was I did the gator tongue, kind of like the Pinnacle Force, but they have like the white with the bluish and the gray. These I did with, like the brown and the creamish jump off. So I can't really expose the tongue and show that gator or alligator print with any type of laces like this, unless I do like some thin rope type of laces. So let's look at them as far as what I did. Let's set them down on bright lights. So obviously, kind of inspiration. So we have like the pumpkin jump off. We have like the lemon wash swoosh, which would have been cool for these, but I like how they came out. But the lemon wash would have been cool. The purplish blue on the mid, and then toe box black There's the toe cap. There's the toe box. And the reason I did all this black is because if I don't want to touch it up with any paint or anything, I can leave them as is and they Gucci. You know what I'm saying? But if I do want to touch them up, I can bring the color down instead of going up in colors. Meaning I can do the cut right here and hit it with the teal if I want to. Obviously, I went with the left side of the original Cactus Jack with the gray. But again, I can still paint that leather how I would want to. But I'm trying to do my own wave, not exactly copy the original Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. I'm trying to one-up them. Like I said, this is like saluting these guys. Not, you know what I'm saying? Like, again, on a booth. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, sit on ether. Like, M'd you on your own ish type wave. You know, Renegade, Jay-Z, Eminem, that type of situation. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing crazy. I'm just trying to one-up them. You know what I'm saying? With my own stilo. You know, so it's all suede, butter biscuit suede. Pretty well. I never had an issue with Nike as far as working with them on custom sneakers since my bespoke days at all. Butter biscuits as far as the quality, all suede, leather guts, inside, back of the tongue, all that, gray leather. You know, again, the crocodile, wanted to kind of pop that off, but we don't know yet. Gun bottoms, Air Force One Uptowns, of course. Cream off-white mid with the bright air, just in case I wanted to, do something like that. But just to throw it off a little bit. And with the velvet laces. Now, the original, before the coronavirus, idea for these and the Sean Weatherspoons I just showed you was for these have Travis sign them. For the Sean Weatherspoons have Sean sign them on the inside of the leather right here. You know what I'm saying? And then I can laser that signature or embroider that signature and have that done. And then whatever number, what I'm doing with the custom wave on my own jump off. That's the idea, or that was the idea, As far as the back, I could have did like the alligator crop to give it some printing, kind of like the Cactus Jack originals. But I want to do my own thing. And if I want to put some printing on here and things like that, I can. If I want to put like the button snap-on jump off, I can do that from the 9010s, paint them whatever I want. And then at the same time on the front, if I want to tune it down, like maybe make the toe box brown, I can do that. Cut this off a little bit, hit some teal right here, paint the leather if I want to. Again, went off the left shoe. And then like on the inside swoosh, like do it different from the outside. You know what I'm saying? With like some Carhartt feel, tealish blue, brownish, some designs. I can even snap on some of these if I wanted to. But again, a quick look, first looks at these, by yours truly, my brand. And you guys know, I'm working on my own custom sneakers, and then my sneaker line, sneaker fashion is coming. I've been working on it and learning a lot as far as what it takes to make sneakers, clothes, fashion. And I'm taking from my big homie Dame as far as inspiration and advice as far as made in the USA, cut and sew for the fashion line. The sneakers, the custom sneakers, not my sneaker line. The custom sneakers are mostly going to be Air Force Ones, lows, uptowns, high uptowns, Jordan 5s, 1s, 3s, 7s, right around there. But Air Force Ones, uptowns is going to kind of be the wave. And yeah, just first looks real quick. Let me know what y'all think about the laces. Rope lace supply, of course. These are the green velvet joints. And these are the cotton or the wool fat laces. Footbeds, OG or stock. I have the red jump off, working on these. But again, this is like 50%, 60% until we get these finished. But I have the base down. Never had no issues working with Nike. Like I said, since my bespoke days, real butter. And both of these didn't even touch the United States. Because I was worried about like, they're going to bite my style, especially with these. Because I got a lot of good feedback with those. And they're not even finished. And everybody's like, yo, you killed it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you and Sean on his own kick with the Air Forces. But neither here nor there for that, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to get some feedback on the laces, what y'all think. Should I expose? I really wanted to have all this gator, you know, again, the Nike Air leather embroidered. Obviously, that can easily be touched up and painted any color I want. And yeah, just got here. And again, and it didn't even touch the USA, so no worries about anybody buying my style. Coming straight from the factory, which is dope because I have the box, and the boxes have like the original custom number, UPC code, all type of stuff. I'll show you guys in the future because I'm doing my own boxes as well. So when I did the Sean's, I opened them up, went to get the camera, so on and so on, and opened them up. It came back in the room. The smell was just crazy strong, like, you know, Nike, Jordan, maybe even like some UA 98% or type of smell, but it was just crazy, like straight from the factory. Again, they didn't touch the USA. These or the other ones I just showed you, they didn't touch the USA at all. It came straight from the Nike factory, obviously overseas. And it's dope because I got the tags, you know, like with the date, the model number, who it's from, da-da-da-da-da. Kind of like Bespoke days back in the days when we did real crocodile, real alligator, you know, before obviously Nike, you know, right now it's like a 70-30, 80-20 when it comes to leather and things like that and things of that nature. But never had an issue again, and they didn't let me down. Came out beautiful. Butter biscuit suede, leather on point, leather guts, crocodile alligator tongue, insides again leather, back of the tongue as well. Never miss. And we got work to go. What y'all think about the laces though? Give me that feedback, fam. SGK 23 TV network. You know what I'm saying? And I know these look wavy. I know the velvet joints look crazy. I know these look crazy too. But we got plenty of colors, you know, denims, whites. I'm thinking these need some brown, obviously. Again, like the outside swoosh, might leave it how it is. The inside, I'm definitely going to change it. But again, put my own touch to it. Inspiration. Again, like my last video with the Pumas. If you guys didn't see those, check that video out. Inspiration. I'm not trying to copy nobody. I'm saluting these guys at the same time, number one. And number two, I'm trying to, again, kind of get in the booth with them. Like, they dropped a 16, now I'm going to drop mine. See how it looks and what it do. You feel me? So, yeah, so I was messing around again, testing the laces before I start taking things apart. And we got the green velvet joints. I got the white velvet joint. I got pink velvet joints. I got purple of these cotton or wool fat laces type of look, which look crazy. Denim, you know, for the Sean Weatherspoons, I'm probably use the corduroy laces, you know. But yeah, giving you guys feedback on these, what y'all think. Again, I might, you know, take some inspiration from the OGs. And yeah, we kind of have the base down and butter biscuit quality as far as like leather inside, leather guts. It's nothing like putting your feet in some Pinnacle Jordans or, you know, leather interior, you know, that brand new socks. You just slip on in there and you just feel it, you know. And the smell is crazy, like straight from the factory. Again, I love that they did it this way this time, just for the solely reason of like the tags from the box with like just the custom 1 of 1 type of joint with the date and 1 of 1, your own code, your name, you name it. But here it is, quick sneak peek. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think on the laces. What y'all think right now. Velvet joints, we got the white joints. Do these in any color as well. And as far as like Uptowns, Air Force One lows, yo, these laces right here, throw them on the white ones and you turn them joints, them 90 joints out any day of the week. You know what I'm saying? And the suede, it's crazy because they kind of the same. You know what I'm saying? Like the originals from my mans. So again, the original inspiration is to, you know, have them sign it inside, then laser over it or embroider over the signature, certified, all that. Kind of like I have my Yeezy sign, Red Octobers. And then, of course, boxing and numbering and all that. But right now, laces. What y'all think? Velvet joints. Green. I think the green is needed. Brown is needed on these. You know, red, burgundy type of joint could look good. I think this wave could look good. You know, like white. to hit them off there and then go through the custom process. But yeah, that's that. Comment below, let me know what y'all think. If y'all didn't catch this video, check it out, because we are, you know, just starting off with these. So hopefully when the final product, you know, is finished, you guys get a good look at those. And we working on these right now at the same time, you feel me? I would love for that gator to show, but I think I might have a hard time picking the laces. But yeah, comment below, let me know what y'all think about the laces. Any input, you know what I'm saying? So on and so on. And that's that. Peace and blessings, stay up, catch y'all later. Let me know what y'all want to see next. UAs, sneakers, comparisons, so on and so on. Peace.